We're still looking at 7-1, so this is still notes 7-1. And what we're going to be looking at today is finding the side length for the leg. So finding the leg. And a review would be that our leg is either going to be A or B. So that is what we are looking for, A or B. I am on page 383. So page 383. And this example 3 is in your book. And so what we see here is that we are finding side length B. We're still using the Pythagorean theorem because we have a right angle. We know that across from our right angle, or our longest side here, is going to be our C. And so we just plug those values into the formula and we solve. So you can think of it here as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. They put their numbers in. And think about drawing your line down the equal sign. And we have to get b all by itself and solve. So that's what we're going to be looking at for the second part here, is making sure that we are finding the missing leg or side length. So let's do one example together. We're going to do the try it, still on page 383, and then we'll practice in class. Short notes. We are simply finding one of the legs. The lesson before this, we were solving and finding the hypotenuse, and now we're finding the legs. That's it. We'll practice in class. So looking at the try it, it's telling us that a right triangle has a hypotenuse. It's telling us what C is. And remember, C is always the longest side. It has one leg of 18, and we want to find the other. Now, this is totally up to you. If you want to find A or B, they didn't tell us here. Okay, so let's set up our formula. We know it's A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We know C is going to be 32 squared. And we know one of the side lengths. Let's just go ahead and put 18 in for B. Which means I'm finding my leg A. I want us to draw a line down the equal sign. We're going to go through our solving process here. The first thing we need to do is let's figure out what is 18 times 18. And we get 324. Bring down your A squared. And then we want to do 32 times 32, which is 1024. Now to get A all by itself, remember our biggest side is C. And so to find a smaller side, we need to subtract here. The opposite of a plus 324 would be a takeaway 324. And whatever we do to one side of our equation, we do to the other. Why? Because we get our variable by itself. And so 1024 take away 324, pretty basic math, gives us 700. Again, that's for the area. It says A squared. The inverse of squaring a number would be taking the square root. Whatever we do to one side, we want to make sure we do to the other. And our side length here, if we round it to the nearest, I like to think of the hundredths because I think of money, would be 26.46. It has to be smaller than your hypotenuse, which was 32, which it is. Okay, so 26.46 would be the side length of A. So again, with these notes, which are